Today we're going to be talking about author's purpose. We know an author is someone who creates books, and purpose means reason. So author's purpose is the reason an author writes a book. There are usually three main reasons that an author would write a book. It would be to persuade, which means to convince someone of something, or to inform, which means to teach someone something, or to entertain, which means so that someone can have fun and enjoy themselves. Let's look at each of these reasons that an author might write a book a little bit closer. One reason an author might write a book is to persuade. In this book, Hey Little Ant, there's a boy who's about to step on this tiny ant, and the ant tries to convince the boy or persuade him not to step on him. So he says things like, "I have a family and I was just going home to dinner with them. Please don't step on me." And it's his way of convincing the boy not to step on him. So one reason an author may write a book is to persuade. Another reason an author may write a book is to inform. This National Geographic book about frogs is a nonfiction book that can teach you about frogs. To inform means to teach. So this book will have a lot of nonfiction information that's all true, that's meant to teach. One purpose that an author may have for creating a book is to inform. And another reason an author may have for creating a book is to entertain. When you entertain someone, you want to make them laugh or feel happy or enjoy something. The book that we read today, There Is a Bird on Your Head, that book was created to entertain. When Mo Willems wrote and illustrated There Is a Bird on Your Head, his purpose was so that children would be entertained by it, so that they would have fun when they read it. Some of the things he does to make the book funny or entertaining is that he makes the characters say silly things, he makes the pictures look silly, and he uses the shape and size of his words to make them entertaining. So think of some other reasons that, or other ways that Mo Willems may have made this book entertaining. Again, there are usually three reasons why an author writes a book: to persuade, to inform, or to entertain.